Assalamualaikum, my dear students of class 9. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform, NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a sentence connector class for the students of class 9. This is our new topic, but I hope that you will give your maximum attention to have a clear crystal idea regarding our today's topic. So I am telling again, so look in our selected topic, it is written sentence connector. It will be part 1, okay, part 1, that means another class will be held on this topic, part 1, sentence connectors or connectors, part 1. This is our lecture number 1 and homework number 1 on our annual term 2021 syllabus. Dear students, I have told this is your new topic. It is sentence connectors. So let's start our class with the beginning of sentence connectors. Do you know what is sentence connectors? I hope all of you, most of the students, not all of you, most of the students know the definitions or the basic idea regarding the sentence connectors. But as a teacher, this is our first class. I am telling you the definition again. Sentence connectors or the connectors are the words which are used in a sentence to connect what or words, phrase and clauses in a sentence. I am telling again, sentence connectors are the words which are used to connect words, phrases and clauses in a sentence. Okay, and in these connections I am telling you some examples of the sentence connectors. So look here, for example, but, if, though, although, because, so, in fact, before, after, before, after. So look, etc. And many more sentence connectors will be found in our books, and you know, but, if, though, although, because, so, in fact, before, after, etc. These are the, so dear students, look, these are the examples of sentence connectors I have given. My dear students of class 9, sentence connectors are used in a sentence to express ideas, to share their compare, contrast, to have or to get the more examples and to get the data and informations, etc. That means we have get here the point that sentence connectors have different functions and they are used in a sentence to have the ideas, to have the compare, contrast, to know the definition, to have the theory, data, etc. That means these are the purposes of using sentence connectors. Here we have got some examples. Now I am giving you a passage suitable sentence connectors. Inshallah, if you give your attention, you will have a clear idea regarding these sentence connectors. So look, there is about a suitable connectors, and with this, okay, look here, complete the passage using suitable connectors. Okay, so look, that means we have gone here directly with the examples. Using some suitable connectors, we would fill it up. Now look at the passage. Gold is a bright precious metals. So look, gold is a bright precious metal. There are many metals cheaper dash gold but look like it. So look, so give your attention. There are many metals cheaper than gold but look like it. Okay, in the blank we will use than, THAN. gold but look like it. They glitter soil dash fade in course of time. So look at the meaning. They glitter soil. So look at the two sides meaning. Okay, fill in. Okay, before the fill in the blanks, they glitter soil, positive meaning. On the other hand, fade in course of time. Here it will be they glitter soil but fade in course of time. It will be but. Opposite meaning. Next, actually there are many people in our country that are outwardly gentle and nice. Give your close connection, close attention also. Actually there are many people in our society who are outwardly gentle and nice. Who are outwardly gentle and nice, but there's a period of time their real identity is revealed. But after a period of time, it will be after a period of time their real identity is revealed. So look, dash all the glitters is not gold. So we will use the here the word so or actually, or in fact. So look, okay, in the blank we can use these three words. Okay, we can use so or actually or in fact. So all the glitters is not gold. Number one is done. Now this is your homework. So look, homework, I have selected this, but I have prepared this for you. So look here, it is homework number 1. It is about honesty, and you will do your homework properly. Dear students, in the first sentence connectors, in the fill in the blank sentence connectors, you have seen there is idea about good person and the bad persons. So with the helping of gold, real gold and the fake gold, and these things are found much in our society. And with this passage, I hope that many of you, most of the students have understood suitable sentence connectors. So keep practicing at home and do your homework properly. So look, this is your homework. This is your first homework. Don't forget to do this. I want to see all of your homework in my next submission date. It is Saturday. Okay. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.